Hey, XRP Army, we are finally witnessing some very significant moves, and we're definitely going to be talking about it because the entire market has now bounced back significantly off of the recent liquidity wick to the downside. We'll obviously address that here shortly, but for the most part, we are witnessing XRP taking over in the US, and I do think that this is going to continue to happen for the next couple months and possibly even years going down the road. So we're going to be addressing a lot of things in this video, so sit back, relax, and welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. Let's dive on in and let's actually talk about a few things. Number one, let's actually talk about the recent Bitcoin price action because Bitcoin did wick down pretty low to roughly like 89K. It was just a little under 90K. And since then, we have bounced back in a big way, back to like 97K or so. This is what the Bitcoin chart looks like currently. Now, we have yet to actually clear the upper trend line. But as you guys can see, the significant liquidity wick here, typically we see these volatile wicks right before some big moves. For an example, let's go all the way back to Thursday, December 5th, where we had a significant wick to not only the upside, but also the downside. And then that followed with a price move all the way up to our previous high of $108,000. So now we're going to be watching this very closely over the next couple of days for a potential breakout. Wouldn't mind chopping a little bit more here, right? As we really kind of watch these charts, I don't mind seeing chop like this before the big break. And when it comes to Bitcoin, yeah, it really is something that I am watching for, for us to kind of potentially chop in between this like mid 90K region to almost 100K because of Bitcoin dominance. Because Bitcoin dominance, if we go back over to the coin market cap listing and we actually go to the dominance chart, we could see that Bitcoin's dominance has been slightly just kind of chopping to the side. This is also allowing projects like, for example, XRP, and we could actually filter this this out in terms of a lot of these columns. But if we look at the dominance percentage on a lot of these altcoins, let me just move this so that you guys can see it. So here we have dominance, and if we look at XRP, guys, XRP is almost at 5% market dominance. It's rallying against Bitcoin and rallying against Ethereum. This is happening while the dominance of Bitcoin is being usurped, which means XRP is taking a much larger percentage of the market right now. And it's very clear on these moves, right? We're now at $2.85. If we're looking at the candles on this chart from this previous year, right now, we are right on the dot with that high from December 1st. Guys, this is very important to focus on. I am sounding the alarm on XRP because we're that close. We are that close to pushing to $3 plus on our way to $4 plus. And also, by the way, market cap wise, we're getting very close to targeting Ethereum. I know we still have a long way to go, but look at the fully diluted value of XRP. It's almost 300 billion versus Ethereum's almost 400 billion. Guys, XRP is quite literally right now making history in the space. And once we officially break that new all-time high, that's when it is, right? That's when it officially makes history. And we're going to be here for that. That's right. When we look at XRP right now, number one, the Bitcoin pair. Very clean TA here, guys. Nice bull flag formation into the breakout. We just retested a significant level on this chart where we would find a little bit of resistance, a little bit of, weakness as well, which is why we're kind of, chopping here now. But once we clear this level, and this goes all the way back to July of 2023, I also have a few areas circled here on the chart that we're really kind of targeting going all the way back to like November of 2020, for an example. But once we start to really break out here, guys, you should prepare. You should prepare because the Bitcoin pair is very important to focus on. This is the strength and momentum against Bitcoin. And like I just said, dominance-wise, XRP is gaining a very significant amount of market dominance. On top of the XRP Bitcoin pair, take a look at the USD chart. Guys, we just hit the previous level from the 2nd of December. This is where a lot of that, resistance will be, but we already cleared a significant high on this chart, which means we now have on this chart at this current moment in time, we currently have a higher high on this structure. That means that the structure for XRP is very bullish right now. Guys, I have been charting this. We have this high back here. We have this low, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher low, lower high, lower high. This was also another higher low that we wicked to on the 8th. At this point, we were waiting for a higher high because it was still neutral until we broke to a higher high. Lower time frame structure, we broke to a higher high on Saturday, which is why we were very bullish. We cleared the previous high from January 3rd. Now we cleared the previous high from December 17th. So now the structure for XRP is very bullish. Next target, in my opinion, is $4. But first, we definitely have to clear this high from the 3rd. But we're so close to it. I wouldn't be surprised if we closed over that within the next 24 hours. And that's being very conservative because by the time that this video goes live, we might be well over $3. I am going to be live streaming though. Before this video does go live. That live stream will most likely be over by the time that this video does go up. But we have a lot to look forward to this year for XRP. I already gave you guys my chart when it comes to XRP. If we actually duplicate this real quick, the number one argument that I've been making this entire year for XRP is dominance. Actually, every single price prediction that I've made going off of XRP's dominance, has been the initial target of 5 to 7, right? And then after that, it's $10 to $15. And if we hit some of those higher percentages of market dominance, then yeah, we could see a 15 to 20 to possibly even a $30 XRP. And I say that because, again, everything that I have predicted on XRP is based off of market dominance, not market cap. That's where a lot of people kind of get mixed up when it comes to XRP, right? They try to predict XRP's move simply off of market cap, but that's not the way that you should be predicting XRP's move. When we look at this market right now, Ethereum has about 11.5% market dominance. Guys, if we go back in time, as a matter of fact, if we just use the Bitcoin chart over here and we go to Ethereum dominance, all right? I want to show you guys this because this is very important to focus on. If we look back at the previous price action on this chart, we hit back in December of 2021 almost 22, it was like 22.3% dominance. On Ethereum, XRP, going back to 2017, 2018, we'll go off of the previous all-time high, right? At its previous all-time high, XRP had about 18% market dominance. I say this because XRP right now is in the spotlight. XRP is the main player right now. With the entire landscape around crypto changing into a pro-crypto, like the entire environment is becoming pro-crypto. We see that with Congress. We see that with the new, presidential admin. We see that around the world right now. Institutions are lining up. So when it comes to XRP, okay, so now we have, for the first time in crypto history, a pro-crypto environment in the US. We have institutions lining up. And remember, XRP was the original banker's coin. This was, a coin that was being marketed, if you will, to institutions. So now that they're here, and now that the environment around crypto is very pro-crypto innovation, pro-crypto acceptance, pro-crypto adoption, what do you think that means for projects like XRP? Well, it means now that if we're going all the way back to 2017, and I get it, there's a lot more coins in the market than that time, sorry. It still means that XRP is in the spotlight right now. XRP has a lot more going on than majority of these projects in the space. The environment right now is kind of catering to XRP, if you will. And with potential regulations on the map as well for this year, yeah, I do think that XRP can quickly gain momentum and hit this 12.4%, market dominance level. And after that, yeah, we do target some of these previous highs. I would say the first area after we break over that, 12.4% is about 17.95%. And if we're talking about Ethereum, right, even up until recently, July 24th, right, Ethereum had about 19% almost dominance over the market. Right now, Bitcoin, if we go to Bitcoin dominance, all right, Bitcoin itself continues to lose momentum here. I have been focused on this on the daily. As you guys know, I have been following this chart closely. Right now, XRP is having a big breakout while this chart looks very weak while Bitcoin is moving to the upside. That means that if this continues to happen, if we continue to see dominance usurped from Bitcoin, usurped from Ethereum, and XRP continuing to gain momentum while XRP continues to break out against its Bitcoin pair, that means that the USD pair could very well be so close to pushing above $3. That will put it on a path to $4 plus because we still go off of the all-time high that's labeled over here on CoinMarketCap at about $3.84. We are 27% away from a new all-time high. Think about how crazy that is. Just for reference, okay? This previous move off of, we'll just go off of the recent low of, January 8th, all right? This recent move was about 30% actually in terms of the total candle wick. That means that from our current level here, if we were to break out over that $3.84 level and we go to $4, that's 42% away. Just 42%. And a lot of people think that that's crazy to, say, but guys, look at these previous moves. This is a 51% move off of the low from December 10th. XRP, once it breaks over that all-time high, that's it. I just want you guys to realize that's the point in time where everyone wakes up. Everyone will soon wake up and they will say, what just happened? And the answer to that is history. I kept saying it all through 2024 is that XRP is creating history right now. Into December, I think is the only time that people started to really kind of realize what was happening. Even though the entire year of 2024 told us that we should have been bullish on XRP. I am just happy to finally see everything that we have been addressing almost working out perfectly. I mean, almost everything has lined up perfectly for XRP. But with that being said, I think the environment right now around crypto, around this space, around XRP and these utility projects, it could not be any more bullish right now. It really could not be any more bullish. That's why I can't wait for the next wave and the next flood of institutional and even retail investors to enter this market, because at that point, things are going to change drastically, and it's going to change for the better, especially around a lot of these utility projects. XRP is going to show you why you should have been bullish for the last, year, 2 years, 3, 4, 5+ years. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.